Hey y'all, what's up? Y'all hear them saxophones getting louder? I'm just kidding. So my hair looking real crusty right now, so we just gonna do a quick little refresh. Nothing complicated, something simple. I just rinsed my hair out and detangled it, and we just gonna put it in 4 braids. Cause guess what? I don't care about walking around looking like the Polar Express girl if it come to, helping my hair grow. And sometimes when you want growth, you gotta leave your hair alone. And who I'm trying to look cute for, because my fiance do not care what my hair look like. Well, don't get me wrong, he like when I look cute or whatever, but even with my little 4 braids, he still think I look cute. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And love y'all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I forgot to tell y'all that the products I'm using in this video is aloe vera gel. I ordered a gallon off of Amazon, and then some almond oil. I'm not sure the brand, but I love the oil down bad. And of course my unbrush. Okay, bye.